Hello and welcome. So moving forward with some pretty serious gardening projects, and the funniest part is that I really don't know too much about gardening at this moment, but this is my passion. My vision is for every backyard to have a garden, for every park, school, jail cell, restaurant, rooftop, literally everywhere to have edible food for people to connect with their food and where it comes from and the magic and the healing from it, and growing it and eating it and feeling alive and feeling vibrant. I'm tapping into what I'm good at in relation to this vision, which is bringing glorious, beautiful souls together to make this happen. I'm already feeling the magic coming together here, and it feels really beautiful. Mission: get a bunch of nutritious, delicious soil delivered to the house. And many people said, "You're gonna have a hard time getting it for the long weekend. It's gonna take you weeks." And I said, "Watch me." Alrighty then. Whoa. When the universe and Mother Earth are on your side, anything is possible. Tropical garden smoothie. Blown away.
Of the tomatoes and the cucumbers, yes, this is the best spot for them because they're heavy feeders. That means they use a lot of water, nutrient, and sun. So this is your best sun spot.
Gardening in style. Rocking it. Giving this tree a new home.
Moving them.
Lunchtime. Ebony was literally born in the garden.
Yes, so easy.
Woo! We're removing the concrete and making it into a garden, because gardens are better than concrete.
I feel like close by. Yeah.
We're really enjoying these beneficial friendships of like being productive, getting things done, and working towards our visions together. So we're really bonding right now, actually.
Their manure from their horses.
Oh.
Wow.
So they had like the best compost and topsoil.
I bet I could get us some. That could be interesting. Where the poo at? Oh my god. You want to keep it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do actually.
Then
I want to let it just flow and flourish. Like, it feels like it's food, it's magic. Look around it, nature, you know, it's got a mind of its own, we'll flow with it.
We're a good balance because I'm like, keep everything. You're like, remove everything. Some handstands going on over here. Yes. It feels so good to feel the earth. That's the magic of nature.
And if you feel to join the movement and you share this vision as well, and you would like to contribute your skills and help this vision move forward and get gardens in your backyard, or help other people get gardens in their backyard, be part of it as much as you feel, reach out and let's do it.